Welcome Fang family to the all new episode of FAANGPath. Before we proceed further with today's video on how to build a network on LinkedIn in 180 seconds guide, you guys need to follow our YouTube channel. Meanwhile, you guys can check out our other platforms as well and follow us over there as well. With over 760 plus million users on LinkedIn, you guys can connect worldwide with different people. But if you guys are still trying to figure out on how to get more connections on LinkedIn, you guys are not alone. So guys, our timer is set. Let's find out on how to get a better LinkedIn network in 180 seconds guide. Alright guys, so step number 1 is to have an all-star profile. Please make sure that your profile is detailed, it's up to date, it's crisp, it's interesting. There has to be something really appealing in your profile for other people to actually like it. So having a good profile is step number 1. Step number 2, when you're sending out connection requests, please make sure that you have in your mind that what exactly you guys are looking for. It can be any person, it can be a freelancer, an HR person, a finance guy or anyone, but you guys have to make up your mind and know exactly what you guys are looking for. Number 3, sending out connection requests is the most easiest way to connect with anyone. But when you're sending out connection requests, please make sure that you add a personal touch to it. You can send a message along with your connection request. For example, it was really nice meeting you last week in Chicago. Hope to keep in touch. So this makes it more personalized. Number 4, while networking, maintain the quality of the network. You may receive a lot of invitations on a daily basis. Use the discretion of these invites and maintain the quality of the network. LinkedIn will then suggest you a list of people that would be of the similar interest as yours. Next point, identify the network clusters and dig deeper into them. Use the method of segregation and find the relevant people and people that would be of the similar interest and the field that you would want to connect with. Also guys, do not get overwhelmed and spam unnecessarily. You can find the list of relevant people from your connections list as well and connect with them. Next point, having an inactive profile is a big red flag. Please make sure that you have an active profile. You may need to post at least twice in a day, maybe in the mornings or in the afternoons. If you're one of those busy people who can't post that frequently, make a pattern. You may need to post at least once in a week or maybe once in a fortnight, but stick to that pattern. Another important point is the LinkedIn events. Make sure that you attend these events, as in these events you may find a lot of people of the similar interest and you may learn something new as well. Are we running out of time yet? Well, next point, the LinkedIn groups aren't a part of any. Well, you guys can create groups and add members into it. With the help of their networks, you can increase your networks and it's a chain that gets formed. Next point is the advanced search tool that is available on LinkedIn. Thousands of people are using it for free. You guys can use your own searches and find your own networks, find people through it. So it's a great tool to use. Honestly, with the premium LinkedIn, you guys can do more searches, search parameters are there and save searches are there. So a lot of things that you get with the premium account. Also with the free LinkedIn account, you get a lot of these features. Well guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this segment of ours and you would have definitely learned some new cool tricks and hacks in order to increase your LinkedIn network. Well guys, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do stay tuned for more such amazing fan videos.